Symptoms of vitamin B12 and treatment. Symptoms: pale or jaundiced skin, weakness and fatigue, sensations of pins and needles, changes to mobility, glossitis and mouth ulcers, breathlessness and dizziness, disturbed vision, mood changes, high temperature. Jarrow Formulas, Methyl B12 Review. Description: methylcobalamin, the superior form of B12, supports brain cells and nerve tissue. Dietary supplement. Suitable for vegetarians, vegans. Suggested use. Usage: dissolve in mouth or chew 1 lozenge per day or as directed by your qualified healthcare professional. Other ingredients: xylitol, cellulose, stearic acid, vegetable source, natural lemon flavor, magnesium stearate, vegetable source, citric acid and silicon dioxide. No wheat, gluten, soybeans, dairy, egg, fish, shellfish, or peanuts, tree nuts. Warnings. Note: color of product naturally varies in different shades of pink. Note: if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, lactating, trying to conceive, under the age of 18, or taking medications, consult your healthcare professional before using this product. Keep out of the reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.